Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Manasvi Mukherjee and I am about to discuss the 6th chapter of this video, that is You Are Not a Lottery. So let's begin. Many people view success as the matter of luck, a random roll of dice where circumstances, timing and fortune decide the outcome. This mindset is common because it absolutes the individual from responsibilities. If success is purely luck, failure is beyond our control. However, the truth is far more empowering. Success is not about luck, it is about deliberate planning, strategic actions, and taking control of your destiny. Basically, here is a difference between lottery mindset versus the ownership mindset. Lottery mindset treats like an unpredictable and unforgettable. It relies on chance, waits for opportunities to appear, or hoping for the right condition. In contrast, the ownership mindset recognizes that success stems from the intentional efforts and smart decisions. Think about entrepreneurs who have built lasting businesses or individuals who have achieved remarkable success in their fields. Their achievements weren't random. They were the result of clear vision, careful planning, and relentless execution. You have to understand why luck alone isn't enough. While luck can play a role in opening doors or providing initial opportunities, it is rarely the deciding factor. Well, consider two scenarios. A lucky break comes to someone unprepared. They miss the opportunity or fail to capitalize on it. Prepared individual encounters the same opportunity. They seize it and turn it into success. So the difference is preparation, not the luck. Success favors those who are ready to act when opportunities arise. And how can you change your path? Define your goal. Success starts with clarity. What do you want to achieve and why? Without a clear vision, you are leaving your future to chance. Define specific, actionable goals that achieve your direction to work towards. Create plan. Goal without a plan is just a wish. Break down your objectives into smaller, manageable steps. Outline what needs to happen, when, and how. By creating a roadmap, you ensure that your progress is intentional rather than random. Develop the right skills. Success requires competence. Identify the skills, knowledge, or resources you need to achieve your goals and actively work to acquire them. The more prepared you are, the less you need to rely on luck. Take consistent actions. Luck is often the result of persistent effort. The more you act, the more opportunities you create for yourself. Show up consistently even when progress feels slow, and trust that your efforts will compound over time. Embrace adaptability. While planning is essential, flexibility is equally important. Life is unpredictable and circumstances will change. Be ready to adapt your strategy without losing sight for your overall goal. Build a network. Success happens in isolation. Surround yourself with supportive, skilled individuals who can offer guidance, collaboration, and opportunities. Relationships often amplify your ability to create and seize opportunities. Own your failures. Taking charge of your path also means accepting responsibilities for setbacks. Instead of blaming bad luck, analyze what went wrong, learn from it, and adjust your approach. Failure is often the most valuable teacher. So, here comes the big picture of this very chapter. You are not lottery. Viewing success as something outside your control limits your potential and prevents you from taking the steps necessary to achieve it. When you adopt an ownership mindset, you shift from waiting for luck to creating opportunities. And the lesson from this very chapter: success is not about stars aligning. It is about taking deliberate, focused actions towards the goal. Planning your path, prepare your opportunities, and work consistently to create outcomes you desire. You have the power to shape your future. Well, here comes the end of this part. Stay tuned for the next part. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.